Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. Ripple's shareholder SBI invests in Russia's largest payment provider, QIWI. Ripple's remittance partner SBI Holdings has sealed an agreement with Russian fintech platform QIWI. A report has confirmed today, April 1st, 2020. SBI Holdings subsidiary in Singapore, SBI Vin Holdings, signed an agreement to invest in QIWI Platform LLC, a subsidiary of Russia's largest payment provider, QIWI PLC. QIWI boasts of executing an average of 1 trillion rubles worth of transactions annually, and QIWI services over 42 million users with its 130,000 plus payment terminals and mobile wallet applications known as QIWI Wallet. Due to the increasing need for faster payment services and systems around the world, Russia penetrated the fintech industry with the creation of Faster Payment System, the FPS, aimed at enabling instantaneous peer-to-peer transfer of funds. QIWI was among the few number of payment companies which collaborated with banks to develop and pilot the FPS service. QIWI is recognized for its impact in the Russian fintech industry. At present, Russia is regarded as the country with the third largest adopters of fintech payment services, and the Q platform, a subsidiary of QIWI, developed a platform that allows banks to offer customer one-stop payment service, and it lets users make payments in one go. The Q platform lets banks connect to its service within 1 month rather than the usual 6 to 12 months. The Q platform opens fintech company to a market which has about 300 million users in both Russia and the Commonwealth of Independent States, the CIS. The SBI Group's fintech investees also access to this benefit. Hence, the synergy of these two would be a great one for the Russia's fintech industry. By offering a multifaceted financial service through its commercial bank in Russia, the SBI Bank LLC SBI Group aims to continue bridging the gap between Japan and Russian finance industry. All I can say is it's a great expansion. If you're new to the space, then what you have is Katao from SBI, Yoshitaka Katao, who is a Ripple investor in the actual company, and he's on the Ripple team board, and he has made them a pretty massive leader in Japan and the Asian markets. Next article, for XRP, that is XRP and Ripple. He is a big proponent of those two. Let me just be clear for the new investors here. The update: Ripple unleashes 1 billion XRP from escrow and puts back almost all of it. I actually saw this headline earlier and saved it, but I had not had a chance until this very second to get into the article as I share this with you. Ripple releases 1 billion XRP from escrow. Another mammoth-sized XRP dump, ? 900 million XRP locked back in the escrow. Looks like they have an update from the well alert directly from Twitter in this article. And back into the article, it says it is the first day of another month. That means Ripple has lavishly thrown XRP from its escrow in the wallet, 1 billion coins. Since the start of 2020, this monthly dragon-sized amount was withdrawn in two portions of 500 million XRP each. And since if you're new to the space, Ripple used to do a solid 1 billion each month, and then I'd actually forgotten the beginning of 2020 they're doing 1 billion, but they're splitting it into two withdrawals, I guess you could say, two portions, 500 million each XRP. Release back into the article: while the XRP price is in the green zone, trading at 17.3095 cents on CoinMarketCap, the comments under the tweets about XRP release signify that the community is either indifferent, having got used to these releases already, or is expecting another price drop in the short term. As they say, the Good news tends to bring down the price, and I know that's only because of whatever reasons for manipulation. As we all know, it's underpriced and undervalued for its value. In January 2018, the XRP was the third largest cryptocurrency, reached an all-time high of nearly 3, and I would correct them, it would be closer to 4 at $3.84 for an all-time high. Since then, XRP has been light years away from the ATH, which began in December, the Q4 of 2017, and it overflowed into the middle of January 2018 with its all-time high of $3.84. Popular tax reporting platform Koinly is to add support for XRP. Another article I didn't really get a chance to look at. Busy day, but I did want to look at it with you right now. Koinly, a popular cryptocurrency tax reporting and tracking platform, has announced it will be adding support for XRP in the come May 2020. The crypto tracking platform made the announcement on Twitter during a conversation with a respected XRP community developer behind XRP Labs, Inc. We'd say when Koinly had made known during the conversation that their in-house software developers are working on adding XRP token to the crypto's tracking software. And if you are new to the space, we'd say, when does the XRP tip bot, if you have a Twitter account, there were some changes. It used to be @ XRP tip bot, and now it is the actual pound or hashtag XRP tip. We'd say when offered to help the platform import trades and transactions from the XRP ledger accounts to the Koinly software, the developer pledged to help the platform with his wealth of knowledge. We'd say when said, as the XRP ledger offers a decentralized exchange, it would be really helpful to add importing trades and transactions from XRP ledger accounts too. I am offering my knowledge and full history node access for free if you feel like adding the XRPL to your platform. Responding, Koinly said they are already working on integrating XRP, and an announcement on the integration would be made next month. XRP is actually being developed ATM at the moment, and we will be announcing support for it next month. Thanks for your offer, by the way. I will pass it on to our devs. Koinly responded to We'd Say, and Koinly has been in existence since 2018, offering expert guidance from tax consultants to the cryptocurrency space, helping them perfect their crypto tax report in the process. Here you have the tweet officially from We'd Say When on Twitter. And then Koinly allows cryptocurrency users to be able to connect their exchanges, wallets, and blockchain addresses to enable them to import their crypto trading history for easy tax filings through the Bitcoin tax calculator that is available in over 20 countries and linked to over 300 exchanges across the globe. Koinly makes crypto reports available in minutes, and the platform also offers to help its users reduce their taxes for next year. Also, too, I want to give a little shout out to El Crypto King, ECK. Tag me in this article. Ripple C++ lead releases proposal to enhance privacy on the XRP ledger. With the developments in the financial and technological sectors at a complete standstill around the world, many major digital asset-based organizations around the world continue to pursue their goal to enhance their network. Nick Bougele, the cryptographer and software engineer at Ripple, recently released a blinded tags proposal in an attempt to improve the privacy feature of the XRPL. Bougele, the GitHub post, explained that the XRPL supported source and destination tags that enable a single account to control the funds for several users, and accounts that are called hosted wallets. The source and destination tags are utilized while facilitating a transaction, and the C++ lead at Ripple went on to highlight that the main objective of the proposal was to disable a potential hacker from isolating a pair of transactions with the help of blinded tags, he noted. He stated it should be possible to implement tag blinding as a single function call that does not noticeably increase the time necessary to assemble a transaction. Similarly, using a blinded tag should not make it significantly harder for the intended recipient to process a transaction. The post expanded on the same by stating that for users to receive blinded tag transactions, individual accounts would need to opt in to the feature set, and the list of instructions is highlighted below. And here they have that little list of directly from the site on how they're actually planning to do it for their instructions. Here it is important to note that no configuration changes are required in the XRPL to enable transactions with blinded destination tags. Additionally, the proposal claimed that the use of the elliptic curve logarithm integrated encryption scheme, the ECIES, is imperative. With the help of the ECIES, a shared key between the sender and receiver would be obtained from which the blinding factors would be derived. However, in order for the proposal to work, the post emphasized that the sender and receiver would need to generate the same blinding factors. Here, the previous specification is necessary to ensure interoperability. And though I think this is a good thing, my immediate thoughts are all of the extra efforts and all the extra work where it's already a little bit tricky from what the normal person is used to in dealing with their banks. They want to make a deposit, it's done. When you come into the crypto and digital assets, you have a very extended long key, and if anything is off, you've just lost all of your assets. And that's a very painful learning advice or an experience, I should say, no matter what level you have. I'm sure pretty much everyone has gone through that one, and that one is a little bit frustrating. It doesn't matter the amount, whether it's big or small, but especially if it's big, believe me. So I think it's going to have to be something that would need to be automatic, and again, it just keeps coming back to, if grandma and grandpa can't do it, they're not going to come in with their money. And we are on the verge of the greatest wealth transfer in history. So I think something like this, if it's going to work, needs to be a little bit more automation and a little bit more simplified before it becomes mass adoption. I want to finish off this video with a final thought. People will throw stones at you. Don't throw them back. Collect them all and build an empire. All right, guys, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only, and we will catch you in the next one.